What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you see, we're wasting no time on this 7.3, and this just even proves it more. Here we have a slew of products from Banks Power that are going on this truck. Now today, the plan was to get this sanded and start the other side, but I think I'm honestly just gonna start the other side, get that done, and handle the Bondo whenever. But I wanna get the rocker panels in for sure, and then we can deal with this and shape it and get everything flat when they're both done, because I just want to get those in. I've been dreading doing the other side. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's not that while you're doing it, it's absolutely fine. Before you even start it, oh, you don't want to do it because it is a pain, and you know what's ahead. Literally, it's going to take so much time. But our frame is looking spectacular from when we painted it as well. It's all cured and hardened, and it looks good. It feels great, especially from where we started. Oh man, this thing looks so much better. Oh, I'm thrilled. I will tell you that the paint color I've picked out for this is actually sitting over there on the table. Now, I just got a sample, but when I opened it up, I said yes. So I gotta do it. I just got to. I see it in my head. I just closed on 4 doors. Really, I only needed 3, but if I bought all 4 of them, they were about 250 bucks a piece. So I've got a full set of doors, rust-free from Florida. They're actually getting shipped here, so $1,000 on that. 4 doors, and you know, we'll get them painted and put on. So while those are shipping and while we're waiting on those, literally we can get the other rockers in. Cab all, you know, cleaned up, bondoed, and you know, skimmed, and get everything straight, and then we can get this painted. And by that time, the bumper, now actually hold the phone. I mean, both fenders, the hood will get painted, and then we still got to find a bed. But as for the front end, I just saw a truck today. It was a 7.3 with the 6.0 front end. I know a lot of you wanted me to do that, but then I was like, no, I don't want to do that. But then I saw one today that looked really good. And to be honest, I'm thinking about doing that because it just, it looks so good, color matched. And it had the same, you know, Harley style headlights that we got. I just think it would look so good because the 7.3 bumper kind of balloony and the 6.0 bumper's kind of flat. So I may go up to like the 06, 07, 6.0 front end. And honestly, it's not that much work. I'm thinking about it. Technically, I have a whole front end here right now. I've got the bumper, and I've got the headlights, and I've got the stock grille that came off the truck, but I was gonna find a different grille so I can either use that bumper or completely convert the front end to like a 6.0. So I don't know. I kind of got that idea this morning, so I might do that. Before we get into the work today, I want to go over everything that's here. Obviously, you guys know I use Banks on all my trucks. I have forever. I got a pedal monster in here. I got the pedal monster and the Hellcat. I got the intercooler, boost tubes, diff cover on this guy, intake horn. You know, we got it all. And the reason why I use Banks products is because they prove they work. Right here we have 104 horsepower and 224 foot-pounds of torque with a 14% increase in fuel mileage. Also a 40% drop in back pressure coming off the turbo. Everything you need to do that comes in the kit, and you're ready to go. So I mean, we got a full 4-inch exhaust. There is a muffler, but I do have the straight pipe by option for that when you're ordering. So we're gonna have a full exhaust come all the way back. May do something special with that. We do have their power elbow kit that's gonna come off the turbo. Also in the power pack, it comes with the new compressor housing and wastegate, and I believe a new billet wheel. So pretty much we're gonna fully upgrade that turbo. Boost tubes and intercooler should come with what's essentially a trans tuner that'll bump our line pressure. So when we're adding all this horsepower, the trans will actually enjoy what we're doing and not slip on us. So we got a lot of stuff here, and obviously a Banks differential cover for this truck as well. So when we get this thing all put back together and powder coated, this thing's gonna look nuts. It's gonna look freaking sweet. I've got 2 ways I wanna take this paint color. So I think I might paint the truck, put it together, and then ask your opinion. I wanna take the paint color with the accent color underneath, because they're just two sweet options. As for now, like I said, we got a lot of performance upgrades. Air intake, exhaust, power elbow, should be a new tuner in there, new set of gauges, straight pipe, new diff cover, all that. It actually comes, the power pack comes with a high flow air filter, but we're actually gonna put the ram air intake onto this instead of the high flow filter to see even greater improvement. When these came out, people wanted to tow and haul with them and pull, but these trucks weren't doing it as efficiently as they should, so our friends over there at Banks definitely figured it out. So we're gonna get to doing all that stuff, probably not into today's video, but as we're putting this truck together and then in between doing this, that, and the other, everything will get done. The exhaust will definitely go on before the bed's on just to help us out. So things like that. And then we'll bump up that boost and stuff under the hood, and this truck will be a whole new animal. guys was honestly about 3 hours, 3.5 hours total between start to finish on these. This time I actually put the inner chunk here in, and then these front two pieces, and then came back and hit it with the cab corner. It just made me feel like I was getting more done, and ended up making me go faster, I guess. But this is all ground down flat. We're actually gonna come back in the next video and just tackle all the body work on this truck. It's just been a lot for today. These rocker panels kick my butt, as you can see. A lot of grinding, a lot of welding, a lot of tedious things. So we're actually gonna go home and get some rest on this one, but we're gonna come back, the body work done on this all here. We're gonna do that to the roof, get that all straight, get all this sanded out on this side, get this all straight and flat as well, and then that's literally it. We'll get the back window out, some of the other things, and get everything ready for paint. That's what's crazy. My mind hurts right now. We're all ready to paint this guy, which means right after that it's kind of like ready for a lift. And now all of our horsepower as well. So like I said, this truck is moving along. We got a lot of goodies to add to this guy. Like I said, she's gonna look freaking awesome with the color I chose. It's really gonna look like something. I'm gonna consider tonight if I want to order the 6.0 front end or not, but I'm gonna figure that out. If I want to do that, I'll get that ordered, get that coming, and then we'll get all the body work done, get this thing ready for paint, and I think we'll add a lot of the horsepower after the truck is done, because including this 4-inch exhaust and the power elbow, like I said, we're gonna have to do some work to the turbo, and then while we're at it, add that elbow, new downpipe, all that stuff. 4-inch turbo back all the way. It's gonna be a straight pipe. We're gonna delete the muffler, so 4-inch all the way back. It's gonna sound good. Gonna be thankful that the the exhaust isn't dumped right underneath the cab, so that'll be sweet. And yeah, she's gonna be looking right in no time, guys. I mean, like I said, you guys have all seen, and you guys have been like, dude, you're killing it on this one. Yeah, like I said, I am getting I'm getting a lot done, very quick, and like I said, we should be painting this within the next couple videos, which is insane. Like I said, we just locked down the doors today. I've got the fenders, the hood, and then I got to decide on the front end, but the rest of the truck's kind of here. I almost may have just found a bed, I don't know. But like they said, this whole truck will be kind of one piece here shortly, and then we'll get a new lift coming, and then we'll take care of all the other pieces, powder coat, paint wise, what we need, front and rear diff covers, all the above. So we got a lot coming soon for this truck, as you can see, and as you can also see. So yeah, I want to say thank you guys for your support. If you haven't been here before, please get down there and click subscribe. Shoot this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Drop me a comment if you haven't already. I don't know if I said that already. But I'm tired. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.